Amber alert! And we just had a flash flood warning like hours ago. You vomited up, Wolf?
Yeah.
Nice.
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida.
Several horror movie stickers.
2020 effective until 2:04 a.m. A Florida Amber Award has been issued for Marcus Perkins, the black male, 6 years old, 4 feet 3 inches tall, 85 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 7000 block of US Highway 19 in Pinellas Park, Florida, who was last seen wearing a red Adidas jacket with white.
Did it just cut off? There's no mute thing, so...
He is missing his front left tooth and has a scar on his cheek.
A scar on his cheek?
The company of Frederick Benatti, the black male, 6 feet 1 inch tall, 190 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, who was last seen wearing a blue shirt, black shorts, and one black Nike flip-flop. He had gold teeth, a mustache and chin hair.
Cloud on his left arm. But bro, is it speaking or... Nah, fucking... What kind of EAS was that? Oh my god.